Inventory turnover ratio. It is a financial metric that efficiently manages the inventory, measures it, in which the cost of goods sold is compared with the average inventory for a specific period. It shows the rate at which the company is selling their goods, inventory, like how fast the company is selling their inventory goods and replacing it with new ones. The formula for it is cost of goods sold by average inventory. Performance metrics. It is used to measure the activity and performance of the company or businesses. The types of performance metrics are stock out rate, inventory accuracy, lead time, and fill rate. In stock out rate, it measures like how many times the levels of the inventory are decreased to a level that are not sufficient enough to meet the demand, like it is not able to fill the required demand. For example, if we ordered a stock material in the inventory and then it is out for delivery, and immediately there is a demand for that particular material but it is out of stock, this may be a factor in loss or production delay. The solution for stock out is to understand the demand and act according to the demand and have stock ready. Inventory accuracy. It tells us the difference between the physical inventory and what is in the record, or what should be the inventory. This is very important in managing profitability and making better decisions. Lead time. When a material is ordered, the amount of time between the order till the material is delivered is called lead time. If we know how much lead time is there, like how much time will the material take to reach the delivery point, so that we can manage and plan the inventory storage. By doing this, the cost will also be reduced. Fill rate. It is a percentage which helps us in fulfilling the customer demand with available inventory. This also indicates the inventory availability and customer satisfaction. By doing this, it improves the ability to meet the customer demand and do proper order management and improves efficiency.